Hey makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ebony and today we'll be creating a super easy everyday makeup look. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a pro, I've got the tips and tricks to help you slay your look from start to finish. So grab your brushes and let's get started. The first thing you want to do when doing your makeup is use a primer. I've already applied that. Now I have my MAC foundation and I'm going in with this brush and just applying that foundation all over my face. You want to continue to blend that product in with those tapping motions and make sure you cover every area of your face. If you're a beginner and you're following along, make sure you subscribe to my channel, drop a comment down below, and let me know what kind of makeup looks you like to see next. Here you can see me continuing to blend in that foundation. I haven't added any other product. It's only primer so far and our MAC foundation. This tutorial won't have many steps. Today I really just wanted to show you guys how to get an everyday soft makeup look. Now that we've applied our foundation, we'll be moving on to concealer. To get the soft everyday makeup look, you want to remember that less is best and neutral colors will help you keep it light. So I won't be applying any eyeshadow in this video. I'll only be enhancing the features that I already have. Okay, so for those of you that are following along, we are applying our concealer, but we won't immediately blend it out. We're going to let it sit for a little while so we can maximize our coverage. Now it's time to contour. If you've been here for a while, you know that this step adds dimension back into our face. Now I'm using a basic angled brush to buff this contour out, and I'll do this in every spot until all of the harsh deep lines are faded. Contouring can be tricky for beginners, so the key to this step is to make sure that you have a deep enough shade and to make sure that you're blending that product all the way out. Now that our concealer has been sitting for a while, we're going to get our beauty sponge and blend it. After blending our concealer, we're going to immediately go in with our powder. I'm using the Fit Me powder in the shade 310, and I'm just dusting that all over the places where I've added concealer. To recap our steps, we've only used primer, foundation, concealer, contour, and powder. Next, we'll be filling in our eyebrows. For all of my makeup beginners who need a little extra help with doing their eyebrows, I do have an easy eyebrow tutorial that you can watch on my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can check out that video, and drop a comment to let me know if it's helpful. After filling in your eyebrows, you want to grab your concealer again to go back and clean up that area. I'm using the Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the shade Manila. In this clip, you can see me blending out that concealer with a small fluffy brush. After this, I will be taking that same brush, putting it in powder and placing it over my eyebrows. And this will just help my eyebrows be more mattified so they can last longer throughout the day. Now we want to add some more warmth into our face, so I'll be taking that Black Radiance powder in the shade Cocoa and placing that all over the same areas where I put contour. Because I won't be using an eyeshadow palette today, I'll be taking this brush and placing that powder all over my eyelids. Okay, makeup lovers, this is the final look. We've applied our blush, we have our setting spray going, and today we created an easy, soft makeup look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my content, make sure you engage with it, like, comment, share, and always come back for more makeup tips, tricks, and ideas. See you next video.